Reading Pioneers is proud to present My Dad's Jokes Are Very, Terribly, Awfully, Painfully Bad by Jacob Eckeberger, illustrated by Keith Zaraga. I'll tell you the truth. I like the guy. I really do. But my dad's jokes are out of control. And I'm about to come unglued. Every day, it's always the same. You can see them coming from a mile away. And I'm worried nothing can stop this fad. My dad's jokes are very, terribly, awfully, painfully bad. Why did the bicycle need a nap? Don't listen! It's a trap! Because it was too tired. That joke should be fired. See what I mean? That's just the beginning! Don't let him see you smile, or you'll be here a while. Why did the vampire look sick? Oh gosh, he's back at it. Because he was always coughing. He says that one way too often. Remember, you can't laugh one bit, or he'll think you're a fan of it. No one should encourage him, because it'll never end. How many apples grow on a tree? Don't answer. Please. All of them. Sigh. We've got to stop him. Our eye rolls don't seem to help, and he doesn't even embarrass himself. I think we should try to sneak away before he starts to make... How does Moses make his coffee? Just run! Leave! He brews it. We were too late. I knew it. Let's try something this time. When you see that glimmer in his eye, he's working on another joke to pitch. And we'll act like we don't hear it. Okay? Are you ready? Let's hold steady. How does the penguin build its house? It glues it together. You're doing good. No laughing whatsoever. What do clouds wear? Thunderpants. Deep breaths. It's time we take a stand. Spring is here. I'm so excited, I might just wet my plants. Wait, don't crack now. This is our chance. What's so bad about a nosy pepper? It gets jalapeno business. Don't smile, or he'll keep up with this. What do you call a ghost poop? Oh no, we're doomed. A boo-boo. We're through. Well, we really did try. There's just something wrong with this guy. I love him, and he has lots of great qualities too. Maybe this is just a phase he's going through. All I know is that when I'm grown, my kids will definitely be glad that their dad's jokes aren't so very, terribly, awfully, painfully bad. Thank you, Pioneers, for reading with us today to the book My Dad's Jokes Are Very Terribly, Awfully, Painfully Bad by Jacob Eckeberger. In Korea, dad jokes are called AJ gags, and while most of my students hate them, I love using at least one per class. This book has some unique ones I'm sure they will roll their eyes at, but I loved reading this book and hope it was in a humorous way. If you want to help support Jacob, you can check him out on Facebook and Instagram, as well as his own website, mydadsbadjokes.com, and Amazon, where you can get your own copy of this book, all of which are provided as links in the description box below. If you have a story or book you would like to have read on this channel, please send me an email, contact@readingpioneers.com, so we can turn it into the next video. Also, it would be great to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and comment below your thoughts about his book. All of your support is extremely appreciated. Unfortunately, this is it for today's video. So, while waiting for the next upload, you can check out the videos on the left because it's never too early to think about Father's Day. And on the right is our most recent upload. Thanks again, readers, for joining us today. And until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye.